Okay, here we are in bucolic Bucks County, Pennsylvania. So I really didn't get a video of this. I tried to set up, but I forgot to hit start on the camera. Anyway, so I got the axle shafts in. Put some more light on it. Just pretty routine. I just had to, mess with the strut rod to get the axle in far enough to meet, or the trailing arm in far enough to meet the axle. So I used all new grade 8 hardware. And unfortunately, those are special. I really couldn't get those bolts that bolt the flange to the trailing arm and the hub. So, but they were really in good shape. I cleaned them up. They're grade 8 bolts. Got new French locks. I haven't twisted them over. I'm going to do a final torque on everything before I do that. So yeah, just messing with that. I'm going to start. Got the caliper. Throw that on. Get the line, shock, sway bar. But it's almost time to go grill meat. I'm pretty hungry. So, but yeah, here's the update. I know it's been a while, but it took me a while to get these axle shafts sourced because there isn't too many places left that do it. And honestly, we've had a lot of snow, and the one guy I usually used, he services a lot of contractors in the state of New Jersey. All their dump trucks and snowplow equipment and hydraulics and shafts and PTOs and all that sort of stuff. So it took a while, but it's super quality work. Everything's in now, so like I said, just gonna do some torquing and we'll go from there. I'll probably have another progress video maybe today, tomorrow, but now I have all the parts on hand. It's just a matter of executing. So yeah, hopefully there's no major issues, but doesn't seem to be any drama now. Like I said, it's gonna finish buttoning up all the loose ends, reconnect the brake lines, put the calipers in, and so it goes. I got my spring over there, but I really can't put that in until I get the jacks out of the way, and I'd rather wait till I get the shocks in, and I still gotta fuss around with trying to get these driven all the way in, these shock mounts. So, but yeah, we're getting there. Oops, just smashed the dome. Anyway, that's it for now. Talk to you later.